Out as a number of amazing reports that allow you to get to the heart of data within your Simplin Out organization. Simplin Out also has a great feature called scheduled statuses, and we have a whole different video on that in particular. But it allows you to schedule a status update, assuming you have permission to do so, at a time in the future. And when that time comes, we will automatically update your status on the board to match the scheduled status that you put in, complete with your status and comment. So today we're looking at the scheduled statuses report. And this report, as you can see, looks like a big calendar. And it allows you to see upcoming scheduled statuses that are going to occur in your organization. Again, this depends on your privileges. If you're allowed to run reports on yourself, you'll only see your own scheduled statuses in this report. On the other end, if you're allowed to run reports on other people in our permission system, then you are allowed to see others as well. So now in this case, I'm allowed to see other people, so I can see other things happening. So for example, here I can see Liz Schultz has got some scheduled statuses in here that are in the remote status. So they're likely working from home. And if I click on any of these, I can see, again, if I have permission, Liz Schultz's scheduled status is upcoming. In this case, I can see she has scheduled working from home for a couple of days coming up. Now I can go ahead and look at other people as well here, and I can see people coming and going. So in this case, I can see somebody in a vacation status coming up for Friday. And then here I can see a bunch of yellow ones. In these cases, these are busy statuses with the word meeting by the look of it, so that these users are going to be in a meeting. Now, just like a calendar, I have several different views I can look at. So for example, we're in a month view now, but I can look at a week view and I can see things going on for the week. I can also look at just a day view. And then I can use the arrow buttons over here to go ahead and scroll through the days. So here's what's coming up on Tuesday, nothing on Wednesday. We have another schedule on Thursday. There's one on Friday. If I go ahead to next week, I'll see those meeting schedules as well. So this works out pretty swell. Okay, and then beyond that, I'll show you a couple of additional advanced options that the scheduled status report has. By default, this is going to run for everyone again if you have permission, but I can just see myself and see I'm in a meeting here, or I can see other users based on group assignments. So I can choose to see just maybe the mortgage consultant group and see what's going on in that group. Also, we have a time zone. Of course, because this is a calendar presentation, the time zone you're in is very important for which day events show up in. This is great if you travel. By default, this will always be the time zone you're currently in, but you can change this to see calendars in the time zone you would expect. And so that is our scheduled statuses report.